Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen app shortcut on your Android 16 version. By default, when you lock your Android device, you can see the left app shortcut or right app shortcut on your device. So if you want to change this app shortcut, first of all, unlock your Android device. Tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap on the wallpaper and style. Now here, make sure select the lock screen. Here you can see the home screen select. So swipe the screen. Now set the lock screen option. Now swipe up, and at the bottom you can find the shortcuts option on your device. So tap on it. Here you can see the left shortcut or right shortcut option. So select the left shortcut. Now select the option from the do not disturb, mute, torch, camera, home, QR code scanner, video camera. Currently only 7 options available. If you don't want to set, select the none option. When you select the none, you can see remove the shortcut from the lock screen also. So here we select the mute option on my device and the left shortcut. In the right shortcut, we use the QR code scanner. Now tap on the apply button at the top right corner to apply it. Now lock your phone and you can see set the left shortcut as a mute and right shortcut as the QR code. To access it, just long press it on your device to quickly access from the lock screen. So quite easy to add or remove the app shortcut on the lock screen on your Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.